welcome to the channel. Winter is coming and it's time to take down this air conditioning monstrosity I built earlier in the spring. It has this standard exhaust pipe and also this custom made intake pipe. It also has a lid which I can remove to access the buttons, actually switch it on, and then it also has this cardboard cone which insulates the actual blower from the inside air. And why would anyone build something like this? It's because as these portable air conditioners they are highly inefficient. If you just allow it to stand on the floor and draw the intake air from your room, it's also taking the air that you have already cooled down. Doesn't sound very efficient. And also maybe a bigger problem is that if you take the air from inside your room, that air needs to be replaced by something, and that replacement air obviously comes from the outside, so it kind of draws warm air from outside to inside. And the benefit of this is, well, of course it's taking all its air from outside, so it only blows cold air to your room and kind of pushes warm air outside from your room. Well, by common sense that sounds a lot more efficient, and it also is. So that was pretty much it. I'm gonna take it down and show the actual machine, what kind of machine I have there, in case anyone wants to see it. Maybe now. Finally, we will get it out. So, this is how the thing looks like. This wooden box, it was not wide enough, which I kind of already knew, but it worked just fine. So now I just have to figure out how to dispose of this entire thing. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a very nice rest of the day. Bye.